Too much breeze all of a sudden broke my DJI. Hi guys, it's too hot. I cannot see the camera. The weather is nice, pretty sunny today. Today I'm installing carbon fiber dip covers on my Mustang GT. It's been more than a month I've been planning this. Today I got some time. I just got done with the car wash. Now the plan is to clean the cap, install new caps on this. I'm not going to remove anything. It's an add-on to this. This is a 2025 Mustang. It comes with these turn indicators. I'm using some glass cleaner. This is how it looks before the installation. I'm going to show you guys before and after. Let's close this door. So this is the before. I'll show you guys the after in the end. This is the left one. So idea is it sits like this and your turn indicator is out. If I unlock, you can see the light. So I did sticker here. This came with a 3M, kind of a 3M but not 3M. 3M would technically have the branding. This top part is going to stick here and run down through the indicator line. That is what I did. Then I gave one more strip here which is going to stick here. Then there was one diagonal plastic line here. I used that mold line and put it here, so probably it is going to stick a little here. This side I have this flat which means it's going to stick here. So let's remove this. Let's stick it. I'm not going to put too much pressure on this, but hold it from the bottom and just make sure to press wherever tape is. Remember to press it like this and not put pressure here. Cool. This is how it looks on the left side. I mean technically on the driver's side. This side without the cover. Let's do the other side. Again, I'm starting with cleaning it with a glass cleaner. I don't want any oil or wax to be there on the cover. Interestingly, it's not interesting, my bad luck. I was shooting this was on a tripod. Too much breeze all of a sudden broke my DJI. Bad luck. Function is working. I can clearly understand the display is broken. I don't know how to fix this. Let's see what happens. A broken DJI Pocket. This is brand new, guys. Literally a brand new Pocket. Yes, this is how it looked after the installation. Left cap, right cap. Definitely better than before. I'll see you guys in the next one.